Guys, welcome back to Shark Pal. I know the background looks a little different today, and that's because we're in a sanctuary controlled and maintained by the government. So the first thing I want to appreciate about this forest is all of the plants. It just looks purely green and beautiful, and the bridge, it just looks supernatural to this type of place. See the beauty of the bridge. It looks amazing. It just looks like a lonely path going forwards. So the water just looks shiny with the reflection. So as you guys can see, there's like a big swarm of dragonflies here. I think they're nutriting the plants, and yeah. So guys, we can finally rest. How amazing is that? So we went to the point where we are so close to the woods, and we're going to go into the woods. And so come on, let's go. So guys, this is the end of today's video. If you guys want more videos of me going on trips with my family, please like, subscribe, and comment down below for more feedback.